Hi, it's Grammie Moe. Time to become a reading pro with letter sounds. This lesson is about the vowel letters I, E. First step is to teach your child this spelling tip. I before E, except after C, and words like neighbor and way. That's a rhyme that stuck with me since grade school, so it does help. The vowels I, E together can make the long E sound, E, like in shield, or it can make the long I sound, I, like in tie. You can make a chart like this for your child on paper. Then you can write these words on Post-it notes and have your child identify if it's long E or long I, and they can place the word under the correct letter. Remember, the more senses involved in the learning, the better the child will remember what they are learning. So seeing the words, hearing the words, and touching the words on Post-its will help them retain what they've read. Stay tuned for more vowel rules and letter sounds.